If your Vortex Spa uses this filter that has this base on it, you don't need to watch this video any further, because this video is for people who have the older style of Vortex filters. Those filters had threads on the bottom of them. Vortex changed those filters to this new Camlock filter, and the reason they did that was to make these filters easier to get in and out of your spa. There's no worry about thread damage or cross-threading as there were with the old ones. You can actually use this new Camlock filter in your Vortex Spas. All you need to do is purchase a set of Camlock filters and a Camlock filter adapter. Now this Camlock filter adapter allows you to thread it into where your old Vortex Spa filter would go. So you just simply thread that in, then you have this in your spa, and the new Camlock filter meets up with it. And all you have to do is twist it and it's in place. When I want to remove it, I just do a small quarter turn and the filter comes back off. It's simply that easy. The old Vortex filters will be phased out, and so we highly recommend that you change up to the new Camlock filters using the filter adapter. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helps you understand how the new Vortex Camlock filters work and how to use and install the Vortex Camlock adapter. And don't forget, you can always get help from us at spastore.com.au or spastore.co.nz.